Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Sheet shortcut on your computer desktop. So what you need to do first is open the Google Sheets web on your browser. So this is the address docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and after that go to this, click on the three dots icon on your Chrome. So I'm using Google Chrome as my browser, and after that go down, go to the save and share option, and in here you'll see the create shortcut option. So click on this and change the name to you domain you want. So for example, here I'm going to just write Google Sheets, and after that click on create. So when you go to your desktop, here the shortcut is will be created. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.